Before you pack for your next flight in 2025, listen up. That portable charger in your hand? The rules for flying with it are changing, and a mistake could get it confiscated, or worse. Following a recent mid-flight fire, airlines are cracking down, and what you thought you knew about travel tech is now outdated. First, a quick clarification. Your standard charging cable and wall adapter. They're good to go. The focus of these new rules is on this: your portable power bank. So what are the new rules? On several major Asian airlines, two things have changed dramatically. First, using your power bank to charge your phone mid-flight is now banned. Second, and this is a crucial new rule on some airlines, especially in Asia, your power bank can no longer be in the carry-on you store overhead. It must be kept in your personal item bag. That's stowed under the seat in front of you. The reason for this specific policy? It's all about preventing a terrifying event called thermal runaway. Tip number 2, know the limit. The FAA's universal rule is 100 watt-hours. Check the fine print on your power bank before you pack. Tip number 3, ditch the giant. You probably don't need that heavy 20,000 mAh brick for a flight. A lighter 10,000 mAh power bank is often enough. The golden rule: never ever put a lithium-ion power bank in your checked luggage. It must be in the cabin with you. But what if the worst happens? If you see a device starting to smoke or swell, don't panic. Alert a flight attendant immediately. Here are a few other items that are completely banned from all luggage. Highly flammable liquids like 140 proof alcohol, bear spray, and chlorine. So before your next trip, do a quick two-step check. Visit the TSA's "What can I bring?" page and glance at your airline's specific policy on restricted items. Share this video with someone who travels, so they're not caught by surprise. Travel safe, travel smart, and we'll see you on the next update.